Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this one, we're going to be installing Laravel, which is a PHP framework that makes it easier to build web applications in PHP. So let's get started. First things first, open up your terminal or command prompt and type in sudo kpan. Why? This will install the Composer, which is a dependency manager for PHP. So we're going to use Composer create project followed by the name of the project we just created. In my case, it's Laravel app. And then we're going to add a -b or bleeding edge for the version. And the easiest way to do that is to use Valet, which is a simple local web server for PHP that comes with Laravel. So to install it, you're going to use sudo npm install gvalet, or if you have Valet already installed, you can skip this step. Then we're going to start the server by using Valet Park, and that will start the server and open up the website in our default browser. And as you can see, this is the default Laravel page. And this will install the latest version of Laravel. After that, we're going to press enter. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Next, we're going to change directory into our desired location where we want to create our project. So in this case, I'm going to use cd and then the name of the folder where I want my project to be located. And if you don't have a folder already created, you can simply create one by using mkdir followed by the name of the folder. Then press enter. After that, we're going to use the following command to create a new Laravel application. And now the Composer should download the application and all of its dependencies. Now if we list the files here, we can see all of the files that were just created. If we go into the Laravel folder, we can see that there are actually no files here at all. The only thing we have is the env file, and that's because all of the files are actually in this resources folder right here. So if we go into resources, we can see all of the files that we have in our application. We have the env file, which contains all of the environment variables. We have the views folder, which contains all of the view files, or the blade templates, as they recalled in Laravel. Then we have the lang folder for language files, config for configuration files, public for the public files like CSS and JavaScript. And then we have the app folder, which contains all of the application's code. So this is where we have our models, our controllers, our routes, and so on. Now to run the application, we're going to need a web server. So that's basically how you install Laravel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.